Yes, guys, so Scotty is here. He had to burn down some of the bushes that was in the way, his way.
It's out of the way.
But you roast potato?
Yeah, this is what come out of the ground, so we're roasting it right here.
What?
Come out of the ground, so we're roast it right here.
Did the ashes look like snow?
No, yeah. But you have a hole like a coal.
Yeah.
All this, see them here?
A coal.
Coal. What's coal? Coal.
Yeah.
Put bag of coal in it. Coal.
Mm-hmm.
Coal. Here coal these. Burn down to coal. Here
Yeah.
coal. Yeah. Real fire coal that. That's what we are baking in potato on. Right here in
the fire coal.
yeah, in the coal. We are roasting the potato.
Want to eat one of them roast potato here?
Yeah, then it is roasting potato. One quite high time.
Huh?
Everyone going to it.
Them finished? They're not finished yet.
No, they're not finished yet.
Yeah. So,
whenever time them bake them light,
yeah.
you can squeeze it
Mm-hmm.
and you get it soft.
Mm-hmm. I so actually started to eat the baked potato ahead of time because it was so nice. But this is what it looks like on the inside. And it's so sweet. My gosh. And look at the rich yellow texture. Look at the rich yellow color inside. This is my potato from my garden, my farm. Yellow belly. And I move too much, darling. Let's taste the other one now and see if it's that same rich yellow belly color and taste. That sweet potato taste. Make sure those drugs or anything are not in there, you know, coming for you. Yay! Alright. Yes, it's same rich yellow belly color. Let's taste it now. It's the same sweetness. The only thing is this one is baked a little more than this one. But it's still, but nevertheless, it's still the same goodness.
This soil here it is good, but we have a lot of fine gravel.
Yeah.
But we also have to use it because the fertile is there.
Okay.
And that is what you want for the food.
So like what new land you think so the Irish are gonna be here?
Yeah, the Irish potato love new land.
Okay.
It is Irish potato love new land because it is for them choice.
Okay.
Them choices are new land. It bear more whenever the land is new.
Okay.
Whenever time the land work, you get less bearing, big size. You don't get that big size.
Yeah.
Like when the land is new, you get big size.
Okay.
Yeah.
But Scotty, is that me never realize how big over here, Subby man?
Yeah, this is the land here where it going left. Because what me doing?
Yeah.
I'm going control this area for the Irish. So eventually you're going to have a little space that you can put in little more vegetable going down there because the Irish potato are going to come to here. Because it's on the 4 bag.
Yeah.
And we are not wasting the land.
Yeah.
Because when we check on, we may have a little space here to rotate back some of that potato slip.
Okay.
Because you don't have no space.
Yeah.
For the potato slip, so when you can wait, when the carrot will move,
Yeah.
you're going to use potato there.
Right.
whenever time the potato move,
we're going to
we're
put
going to
caca.
put carrot up there.
Right.
So we are going to rotate the slip down here, so. So the Irish potato are going to come about right here, so. Because it's on the 4 bag.
Yeah.
It will square off here, so. Right all the way, you stand up, and when we weed off, it's going to come right off here, so we start just to the inner of the can.
Okay.
We give about this fraction here. Right, tie it right here, so. See from where it starts?
Yeah.
It will end from about here, so to here, yes. I'm going to show you. All this entrance is for the carrot. For the Irish.
Irish.
Yeah. Yes, so
we're going to have all of that down there, so if we plant the sweet potato.
So we're going to have the sweet potato in this area. In this area to hold back the slip.
Okay.
Kind of makes sense. You're going to have the potato now and then now you reap there and you don't have nowhere if you put the slip.
Yeah.
You end up go look back slip and then you can't find the slip that you did have before.
Yeah.
So you want to have your slip all the while planting.
Yeah.
So you're going to rotate it yourself.
Okay.
Alright. So we're going
yes, sir, that we are do.
So we're going to go to
yeah, here, Scotty.
Go down for the Irish potato.
Okay.
So because we have 4 bags and they are big and we're going to have to cut some of them.
Right.
Yeah, we're going to have to cut some of them too so that they can plant sufficient.
Yeah. I remember, so we get a few seeds from England the other day.
Yeah.
Those seeds were sent specifically to me for planting, so.
Yeah, we're going to try.
Yeah, we're going to try one little spot for them.
2 rows and a different inch just to see the variety bearing.
Yeah.
And the proceed right.
Yes, yes.
I'm going to dig some raw.
Yeah, man.
The raw is important for the potato. So we have to go and have it till when we're ready to put in.
That's right.
You have to have the space.
Yeah.
When you have the space, it's easier to
So Scotty, you don't think we can put the drip on the Irish same way?
Yeah.
Because me have to set up the drip, you know.
All those drip immigration.
Yeah.
That you are working on right now.
Yeah.
You are working it for the Irish potato and the carrot. Because the sweet potato soon come to reaping.
Yeah.
So you don't have no pressure on the sweet potato right now. It needs rain also.
Yes.
Because the potato inside need to develop by the rain.
Yeah.
Because the rain, we don't get rain, you're going to have a whole for small one unless big one, because the water is not here to develop the food.
Yeah, yeah.
So that you get size. And size of what you're looking there.
Yeah.
So it comes from the rainfall. So we are going to deal with the little water on it, but not like the Irish potato and the carrot, because them is so essential now.
Yeah.
You're going to care for them more than the sweet potato because them don't reach anywhere. So you're going to care for them that you see something like the sweet potato out of them.
Right.
That you can't even pass them away.
Because the irrigation is from radar and you have to use it so that they see that you needed it.
Yeah.
So I said I want to put it on the Irish potato.
Yeah. So when they come and visit,
yeah,
you also can see, say, well then.
Yeah, because they're planning to come and visit soon, so.
Yeah, man. You want to see the earth where the Irish potato are going.
Yeah.
The land have a lot of root. Because this is a land we never work for a very long period of time.
Yeah.
So now, by working it, you get out the root, you get also the moisture that you are looking from the topsoil go down.
Yeah. So you have to go link the guy there where they go to Canada go work, where him saying do them kind of work at Canada.
Yeah.
Make him set up the irrigation for me.
Yeah.
Aisha, if you call for contact him.
Yeah, but so what you saying now? You don't like him come next week?
Yeah man, make him come and set it up.
Alright,
So
so what about say we are gonna talk to him when you go?
yeah.
And then you have to talk to him and make him talk to you.
Yeah.
And then now you can tell you which day me and him will come.
Yeah. Well, him set up the irrigation and then you plant.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And him could have some help with the running and wire and them things.
Oh, yeah, so. But are you and him are going to do it?
Yeah, so that's why I'm telling you, me and him are going to balance.
Yeah.
Balance.
Yeah. Man.
Yes, guys, the potato go down.
Is it ready?
It's all ready.
Man, me hungry, man.
It's all ready, man. In next 5 minutes you can get.
One bit more.
Yeah, this one bake some more. You don't want to give it and it not go down.
Yeah.
You want it properly go down. Yeah. Next 5 minutes you can get them.
So, Scotty, me still no know.
Looking that amount like what here because space is not there.
Right.
We are only doing that we can get a variety of seed that can plant back
Yeah.
a portion of land.
When we're ready for rotate.
Exactly. So that one stock the carrot. That once you have a little portion like the carrot,
Yeah.
or even this place that grow up,
Yeah.
you're good to go.
Yeah.
Remember the stick them run long.
Them here are so nice.
Yeah?
Nice little stool.
Yes, that could be some black.
Stool, man. See it.
And then you could have a
Varnish it.
yeah, strip it
Yeah.
and have it in seed. And then you could have like this side here. You could cut yourself. So you hold the thing this way. You have right here,
Yeah.
you have a cutting board.
Yeah, man. A cutting board.
You have a cutting board for meat. And you have a cutting board.
Cut
like
up your
for
vegetable.
bread. And you have
Anything.
anything, just a cutting board, and you have
Yeah.
a cutting board could be for the weed too. If it's small, you just cut it small. So whenever time you see hunter, you want him slice it, you have a breadboard and just
Yeah.
deal with it.
Yeah, man.
You see wood like that in a lots of area.
Yeah.
Wood like that don't waste it. Them find use for it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because you have people who carve, you have people who do a lot of.
Right now, me I go
woodwork.
up on YouTube and see what me can get out of them.
Yeah, you have a breadboard there,
Yeah.
and you have
Stool.
stool.
And me I go look one little table out of them too. Oh.
And you can make a little stand.
Yeah.
Just put another like this. This could have been the foot. Because you can strip it.
Yeah.
Off and with the foot. And cut it neat and have a stand here.
Yeah.
And you put a flatter piece of board
Yeah.
and rest it on it and put everything on it.
Yeah.
Just a stand.
And it could have been one seat go across two of them.
Could have been a seat.
Like a bench.
This is a bench. It's a seat right now.
Ah.
That's in a level.
Yeah.
But this is a seat. It's a block. It's a seat. A whole heap of thing this big.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have nothing to something.
Just like this land.
Yeah.
Out of woodland, out of nothing to something.
On this land, you just say it coarse. It can't manage because it look coarse.
Yeah.
Because it's stony, but when you start work it, like dig it, you see the soil is good.
Yeah.
And the 1 and 2 stone with inside it don't stop you from put in or get something out of it because it's not a big stone that it can't move.
Yeah.
How will you do? Bite me?
Who?
Here it come. See ya? Here it come, my money, you know. Me not,
Oh, what was? Bees?
this is a bees.
Oh,
Bees.
okay. I will find this pot. From the other day, I wanted to show you guys. This pot here.
Yes. And that flat pot can use like plant something in it.
Yeah.
Yes, can set something like.
I don't know how this pot, long this pot was here. But I found this pot over here. And it seems like you don't have any hole or nothing, you know.
No.
Me think the cover that I found over there is for this pot. Where I found the enamel mug. Yeah.
Dried with meat or something.
So guys, this video was actually recorded before we even planted the potatoes and the carrots and the parsnip, but I'm just getting to upload it. So do enjoy and remember to like, subscribe and share.